Hi, my name is Caroline. Welcome back to my channel. So, first things first, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe down below. And this is actually currently an old wash and go that I had done. I actually have a video on that. If you want to go ahead and check out my video on how I do my wash and go, please check that out as well. Right now, since I needed to wash my hair, I went ahead and ordered the Pattern Beauty by Tracee Ellis Ross. I've seen so many reviews on it. I'm like, you know what? I love Tracee, so I want to see what it's all about. So what I purchased with my own money, hydration shampoo, which says it gently cleanses and hydrate. Now these ones that I bought are the travel size, so they're only 3.3 fluid ounces. So this is the shampoo. I also got the conditioner. The conditioner is in heavy. If you want to see what your curl type, what shampoo and conditioner and like products you need to be trying, I would suggest to go on her website. Her website actually breaks down if you should get heavy or, for example, intensive, just depending on what you need. So I got the heavy for the conditioner, and this conditioner is for coilies, which my hair is coily. I also bought the leave-in conditioner as well, and then I got the deep conditioner. It's extreme moisture and restoration and intensive, because I like a really thick deep conditioner. So this is what I got as well. The shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner came in this really cute bag right here that says Pattern in the front. It's like an on-the-go kit and it says moisture and definition for traveling curls. So I really like the package. I thought that was really cute. It's really literally a travel bag, so I thought that was really nice, so I got that as well. So today I basically thought, since I need to wash my hair already, let me go ahead and do a twist out and using these products, so I can give you a thorough review on how I like each and every single product. So right now I'm just, so far it seems very moisturizing. I'm not gonna lie. I don't feel like my hair is dry. So far that's what I see. One thing I could say about this conditioner so far is that I'm very heavy-handed, and this conditioner spreads out pretty evenly. Usually I would still be pumping more conditioner to put in my hair to coat every every strand. But as you can tell, it already got every strand, so I like that so far. And I'm gonna detangle my hair because, as you can see, I haven't done that yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair and then leave this product on for 10 minutes. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead now and try their leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna use my staple products, which is the Tea Tree Oil by Hollywood Beauty, and I'm also gonna go with the Maui Moisture Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. These are the products that I use in my other video for my wash and go. So these are the products that mix well for me. So I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair. So I was gonna go ahead and do a twist out, but I decided that as I picked it out more and more, I was going for a high puff look. So I'm just basically picking it out as much as I can. And the bigger the better. I'm going ahead and grabbing my Motion Smooth and Hold edges. So I can go ahead and lay the little edges that I have down. Just keeping it real, I definitely am working on growing my edges back. I just have really fine hair in the front of my head, so it's pretty hard. So basically what I'm using is this cut headband, because my hair, every time I try to do a puff, my head just starts really hurting. I get really bad headaches, so I just try to do my puff as loose as possible. That's why you don't see it really tight. So yeah, I'm just picking it out more. It looked really flat, so I just grabbed my toothbrush and I'm trying to lay down a little bit of the edges. And there you go. Of course, I'm grabbing my pick to pick it out as much as possible. So the hydration shampoo, I want to give this an 8. It basically did everything it said it would. It hydrated, kept it moisturized. After I washed my hair, it was definitely moisturized instead of brittle. Most shampoos that I use, my hair would be feeling super brittle after, like paper. So no, it definitely did not do that. So I'm really happy with that. And then now with so I didn't realize that the heavy conditioner for coilies and the intensive conditioner for tight textures are both conditioners, and they both can be used as deep conditioners. Now, in my case, it's not that bad because I do have coily hair and I have a tight texture as well. My type is 4A, but I do have 4B in my hair as well. So I just used a heavy conditioner as a regular conditioner that I freaking loved. 10 out of 10. Like, and the intensive one, 10 out of 10. It's very heavy, which I really like, and it moisturized my hair. I actually use less product using this than my regular conditioners because I'm so heavy-handed. The product spreads throughout my hair, like I put it every single strand of my hair. So these both of these were 10. So now this leave-in conditioner, I give it a 10 too because it left my hair super moisturized. I mean, like, I put leave-in conditioner all over my hair, and then I went section by section to put in my cream and my oil. So usually when I do that with most of my products, I usually have to spray my hair with water because it gets dry by the time. No, definitely not. It was still moisturized. Like, it was just like, what? It was still moisturized, and not only that, my hair is so soft. Like, my hair is super soft. This is like 3 days ago I washed my hair. So in my opinion, I think you should buy the Pattern Beauty. It was amazing for my texture. I'm not saying it works for everybody, but for me, if you're high porosity, that means that your hair can literally soak up a lot of product. And I'm 4A, 4B. I would say I would get it because my hair, it needs a lot of moisture. It needs thick, not watery products. I feel like the products worked for my hair, definitely. And I will definitely be buying myself a regular size and maybe the biggest size they have because it really did something for me. So shout out to Tracee Ellis Ross because, girl, you did that. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my channel, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like my videos.